everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy yet elegant looking centerpiece. Here's what you're going to need. 3 glass candle holders, 3 candles, pine cones, faux flowers of your choice, a basket, a tablecloth or a table runner. I managed to get everything except the basket from the Dollar Tree. The basket I got from Ross. Now let's get started. You want to take the candle holders and arrange them any way you want inside the basket. I chose a straight line. Next, place the candles inside of the candle holders. Next, you want to take your arrangements and separate the flower from the stem. Now, the flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree are easy to pull apart by hand. If you can't pull yours apart, then you're going to need something very sharp to separate the stem. Arrange the flowers any way you'd like inside the basket. In my opinion, the more you spread the colors, the better it will look in the end. And don't forget to mix your pine cones in there. Because the table runner was too short, I folded it and placed a basket on top. And there you have it, a simple yet inexpensive way to jazz up your table during the Christmas holiday. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.